Christmas berry is a favorite houseplant thanks to its bright red berries, waxy foliage, and simplicity of maintenance. Its dark green leaves are complemented by fragrant flowers that you'll find blooming throughout the year. These blossoms are followed by red or purple berries, perfect for attracting songbirds to your garden. While the Christmas berry is especially popular during the holidays, the shrub's berries will offer a pop of color in your home or garden throughout the year. Christmas berry is native to East Asia, and in the early 20th century, it was introduced into the United States as an ornamental plant. It is now considered invasive there as well as in the Mascaron Islands, Hawaii, and Seychelles. Christmas berry grows aggressively and can dominate hardwood forests in temperate climates. The plant outcompetes native species for water and stunts growth by changing soil compounds, such that the ground becomes less hospitable for them. The change in the soil and the effect on native plant life also endangers native animal species that depend on the local flora for both food and shelter. Both the growth and the size of the Christmas berry can be controlled by pruning established plants. Its spread can be controlled by hand-pulling seedlings and young plants. Since the plant reproduces by rhizomes, the only way to prevent it from reproducing is by growing it in containers, limiting its ability to spread underground. It can be planted year-round in warm climates, and when grown indoors, the plant does well in bright and sunny rooms, but not in direct sunlight.